Hello children, welcome back to our science class. So we are going to start a new topic today. Open your science book. So this is a new topic for you from page 103, Unit 6, the Earth, Moon and Sun in the Solar System. In this unit, we are going to see the presence of the Earth, Moon and Sun in the solar system, the occurrence of night and day, the movement of the Sun and Earth today and year. Also, we are going to see global warming and how to care for planet Earth. Take a look in your book, page 104. We are going to read on the Earth, the Moon and Sun in the solar system. We will read together. Planet Earth is one of the 8 planets that rotate around the Sun. The Sun and the 8 planets form the solar system, as you can see in figure 1. Let us find out about the planets. The order of the planets in the solar system, starting nearest the Sun, is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Pluto is no longer considered a planet. However, it is classified as a dwarf planet. The 4 planets closest to the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, which are also called the terrestrial planets. The 4 larger planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. You can note all this down in your copybook. Now let us take a look at the solar system. You have the picture below. You have the Sun and all the planets. The closest one to the Sun is the Mercury, Venus, the second one, the third is planet Earth, the fourth one is Mars, next one which is called the giant planet, which is very enormous, Jupiter, then Saturn, Uranus, and then Neptune. Let's get back to our book, page 104. We have already found out about the 8 planets. Now there is a small activity for you about day and night. Look at figure 2, a conversation between the teacher and 2 pupils. We are going to read together. The teacher asks, how does day and night occur? Kevin is going to answer, the sun lights on and off. When the sun lights on, it is day on Earth, and when the sun turns its light off, it is night on Earth. The next pupil, Sarah, is going to answer, the sun is like a big fireball. It is always emitting heat and light. It is the rotation of the Earth on itself that causes day and night. So after having read the two conversations, so what do you think? How does day and night occur? Who do you think is right between the two students? Is Kevin right or Sarah? So Kevin has said the sun is going to light on and off. So when the sun turns its lights off, it is night. And Sarah is going to say the sun is always emitting heat and light. Sarah also says it is the rotation of the earth on itself that causes day and night. So we are going to find out who is right between the two of them. Okay, so let's find out how does day and night occur. Day and night occur when the earth spins or rotates on its axis. We get day and night when different parts of the planet are facing towards the sun or away from it. If a part of a planet is facing towards the sun, then it is daytime and it is hotter. But when a part of a planet is facing away from the sun, it is cooler, it is darker. It takes 24 hours for the Earth to turn all the way around. So the Earth is always spinning around. Okay, children, I hope you're able to understand the topic. Let us move on to page 105. You have question number 1a. Who is right, Kevin or Sarah? So after having read the conversation, I guess you're able to understand and answer the questions. So who is right, Kevin or Sarah? Obviously, Sarah is right. The answer is Sarah is right. After discussion in your group, so unfortunately you do not have a group, so you are going to read by yourself and explain your reasoning. You have to explain why is Sarah right. Sarah said the sun is always emitting heat and light. It is the rotation of the earth on itself that causes day and night. She is right. So, your reasoning, you have to explain. One answer could be, as the earth moves around the sun, it rotates on its axis. So we have day and night. You are going to write this answer but in your own words. I will be checking your books and all your answers. So this is the answer. As the earth moves around the sun, it rotates on its axis. So we have day and night. Now let us see number 2. During the group discussion, the pupils were of the view that Sarah was right. After careful thinking and some advice from the teacher, they decided to carry out an experiment to confirm their views. So the pupils are going to carry out the experiment. They brought the following equipment to perform the activity in a dark corner in the classroom. Okay, so the pupils are going to carry out an experiment. So they will be needing a torch to represent as the sun and the globe. Unfortunately, we do not have glass together, so we are going to do this experiment when school resumes. Now, if at home, if ever you have a torch and the globe, you can carry out the experiment at home by yourself. Okay, so take a look, figure 3A and 3B. You have a globe, you have a torch. So the torch is lighting, you see the bright side, it is lighting part A. And part B is Mauritius, where it is the dark side. So when the torch representing the sun is switched on to illuminate part A, as you see in figure 3A, is it day or night in Mauritius? Explain. So I think you already know the answer, so you're going to write your answer. The question continues on page 106. Page 106. I am going to read the questions, but I will not give you the answers. You have to write by yourself the answers. It's quite easy, so let us read number 4. When the globe is rotated so that Mauritius faces the torch in figure 3B, is it day or night in Mauritius? What can you conclude about what causes day and night? Number 7. When do you feel the heat, that is the energy from the sun? At night or during the day? So these will be your homework, number 4 to number 7, as well as find out what would have happened if the earth did not turn on its axis. You will have to find out and write the answer in your science copybook. Children, I hope you have well understood your new topic. That's all for our today's class. Your homework, page 105, exercise 3, page 106, exercise 4 to 7. In your book, page 106, you have to find out. Also read and prepare page 106, what causes a year. And most importantly, do not forget to read in your red book question and answers. Do not forget to read and write down in your copybook the main points. Thank you for being attentive. Revise well and do your homework. Take care.